Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on Python program for the biggest of three given numbers. That means how to find out the bigger number among the given three numbers that we are discussed in this video. Okay, first we have to write the program. After that I am explaining each and every step. Okay. So A is equal to int of input of enter the first number. Enter the first number. Next one, another number B. Int of input of enter the second number. Next, go for third number. C is equal to int of input of enter the third number. Next, now we have to compare the A with B and A with C. So if A greater than B, and this is logical and operator, A greater than C. Here put colon compulsory. Next, print A is bigger. Okay. Else if is nothing but elif. Elif means else plus if. Elif B greater than C colon print B is bigger. B is bigger. Next, last one else. Else colon print C is bigger. Okay, so this is the given program. Okay, next we go for logic. Okay, first step, enter the first number. Enter the first number. So the first number given by the user. So that value is 3. Okay. So this 3 value can be taken by the input function. That input function can read this 3 from the keyboard that are entered by the user, that it returns string of 3. Okay. This string of 3 can be passed to the int function. This is a typecasting int. So this int function can take the string input 3 and it produce integer 3. Now this integer can be passed to a. So that is equal to a is equal to 3. 3 can be assigned to the variable on the left hand side. So now a value is equal to 3. Next, after completing this step, then we go for second step. Enter the second number. Enter the second number. So here the second number is 10. Okay. So now this 10 is entered by the user. So this 10 can be taken by the input function. This input function can returns string 10. This string 10 can taken by the int function. Then the typecasting int. This typecasting int function returns only 10. This 10 can be assigned to the variable b. So now b is equal to 10. Okay. Next, go to the third step. Enter the third number. Enter the third number. So the third number is 5. Okay. This 5 can be entered by the user from the keyboard. That input can be taken by the input function. Input of 5, it returns the string of 5. This string of 5 is typecasted by int and it returns integer 5. So now C is equal to 5. Okay. So now A value can be taken from the keyboard. That value is 3. B value can be read from the keyboard. That value is 10. C value can be read from the keyboard. That value is 5. Now go to this step. If A greater than B, A value is 3, 3 greater than 10, and A greater than C, A value is 3, 3 greater than C value is 5. So here this is the logical AND operator. So the logical AND operator is true whenever this condition and this condition both are true. Okay. Any one is false, the total is false. So here what is the logic of AND operator? True and true. So true and true is equal to true. True and false is equal to false. And false and true is equal to false. And false and false. So that is equal to false. So this is the logical AND table. Okay. So both are true. Then this expression is true and this expression is true. The total is true. Any one is false. The total is false. Both are false. The total is false. So now 3 greater than 10. So this is false. And 3 greater than 5. This is false. Both are false. So and this condition and this condition both are false. Then the control does not enter into the if block. Then it go for elif. Okay. Elif. So here. So it returns false. Then go to elif. So elif b greater than c. B value is 10. C value is 5. 10 greater than 5. 10 greater than 5 is nothing but it is true. So whenever this condition is true, the control goes to the else if block. Then what is the statement is there? B is bigger. So now this condition is true. Therefore, B is bigger. B is bigger. Now we go for output. Output. Enter the first number. Enter the first number. So that is 3. Next, enter the second number. Enter the second number. That is 10. Next, enter the third number. Third number is 5. Among them, which is bigger? B is bigger. So, B is nothing but 10 is bigger. 10 is nothing but B. So here B is equal to 10. So therefore B is bigger. Okay. So this is the biggest of three numbers program. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasarao. So Divvela Srinivasarao. This is my channel. Okay. Here indent is compulsory. Whatever the statements in the if block are write one tab space after one tab space. And also what are the statements in the else if block that are write after one tab space. So after the statements within the else block are write after one tab space. After giving one tab space, that means these are the statements within the if block. These are the statements within the else if block. These are the statements within the else block. Okay. So elif means else plus if. Okay. We can write it as elif. Okay. Here put colon compulsory. Okay. In the case of C program, we are not writing any colon after if statement. But here in the Python, compulsory we have to write the colon after if statement, after else if statement, after else. Otherwise we can get the error. Okay. So this is the Python program. So thank you.